I have a terrible idea. You know that trend when people would ruin their lipsticks by putting it in eyeshadow to get their desired shade? Like, all I could think was just what a waste. But I want to do it. I want a black lip gloss. This is my only clear lipstick, so if I hate it, I'm screwed. But I want to try this galaxy shade. Like, that could look so cool. Okay, time to scrape. I hope I don't ruin the... Oh boy. I hope I don't ruin the eyeshadow either by doing this. Okay. Come on. Ew, it's like goo. Oh wait. Oh, it's black. Oh no. I just wanted to... No. I mean, it's not ugly. I just wanted it to be like sheer. I'm so sorry, lip gloss. What did I do? Although it's kind of cool. I mean, isn't it? In it?